Hello, Tiger and Cat. Hurry up and build your houses because the dinosaur is coming.
I have some grass, so I'll build my house out of grass.
I will just build my house out of wooden sticks.
I only have some chunks of stone and I want to build my house with them.
Nice! All our houses are done. Let's get inside quickly.
Hey, little houses. I'm going to blow you all away with my breath.
Hey, Lion, open the door quickly. The dinosaur is attacking me.
Yeah, I will burn this wooden house with my fire.
Hey, Cat, please help us. Open your door.
I will open the door, but only if everyone watching this video hits the subscribe button.
Hey, guys, hurry and press the subscribe button so Cat will open the door